Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your rank tracking setup with SERPWatcher, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your SERPWatcher account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to view your current projects. Select the project you want to update from the list displayed. If you don't have a project yet, click on the Add New Project button to create one. In the project overview, click on the Settings tab located in the left sidebar. Here, you will find options to customize your rank tracking setup. To update keywords, click on the Keywords section. You will see a list of your existing keywords. To add new keywords, click on the Add Keywords button. Type in the new keywords you want to track, separating them with commas. Choose the appropriate location and device settings for accurate tracking. After entering your keywords, click Save. Next, if you need to update your competitor settings, head to the Competitors section. Add or remove competitors by clicking on the relevant options. You can also adjust the tracking frequency under the tracking settings. Select how often you want the tool to update your rankings. Once you've made your changes, be sure to hit Save to apply them to your project. To review your updated rank tracking, return to the dashboard. Click on Rank Tracking to see how your keywords are performing. You can analyze trends and performance over time using the provided charts. Lastly, familiarize yourself with SERPWatcher's reporting features. Generate reports to share insights with your team or stakeholders. That concludes the step-by-step guide on updating your rank tracking setup with SERPWatcher. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.